People often ask how many hours you need to study for a professional course. Honestly, I don't know the answer to that, but this is what one ordinary day of preparation looked like for me. I started studying around 10 in the morning. After finishing my college exams recently, I've been trying to get back into a proper routine and build some consistency again. Nothing too ambitious, just showing up every day and doing what I plan to do. So I started the day with SMCS, one session down, then I moved on to CSR. And that's something I've slowly started realizing about professional courses. Most days don't feel productive while you're living them. You're not achieving anything dramatic. You're just watching one lecture, making few notes, and moving on to the next topic. But somehow those small efforts add up over time. After two lectures of CSR, I took up CMADD. By lunchtime, I had covered good portion of what I had planned for the day. So I took a break, had lunch, and watched a movie for a while. Nothing special, just enough to recharge before getting back to studying. The toughest part of the day is usually after lunch, and I'm sure a lot of students can relate to that feeling. You sit down to study, but your brain is still in break mode. Over time, I found a simple solution. I schedule subjects I actually enjoy during that part of the day. For me, that's IBC right now. Since it involves making notes while watching the lectures, it keeps me engaged and helps me stay awake. So that's exactly what I picked up next. One lecture, then another. A few short breaks in between. And before I knew it, the afternoon had quietly turned into evening. After that, I covered ESG and finally drafting. At this point, there wasn't any sudden burst of motivation, no life changing realization, no secret productivity trick, just completing what I had planned to do. And honestly, I think that's enough. Social media often makes progress look exciting, but in reality, most progress is pretty boring. It's watching lectures when nobody's watching, making notes that nobody else will ever see, showing up on ordinary days and doing the work anyway. As the sun started setting down, I wrapped up the final lecture of the day. Not a perfect day, not a record breaking study session, just a decent day of consistent effort. And right now, that's exactly what I'm aiming for. Another ordinary day, a few more lectures completed, a few more topics covered. Before calling it a day, I spent some time reading a book. It's a small habit I've been trying to maintain alongside my studies. And after that, it was finally time to switch off the lamp and get some rest. And one step closer to my December 26th CS professional attempt. If you're studying for something right now, I hope this vlog reminds you that consistency doesn't always look impressive. Sometimes it simply looks like showing up today so you don't have to regret it tomorrow. See you in the next one. Bye.